Hi, let's see what happens here. Not sure, it's just about to piss down I think. But I wanted to paint this tree. Looked good in the evening late as I was out walking. And yeah, I'm just going to start for God's sake. Okay, so this is acrylic. I love this tree. And I'm going to start with the kitchen sponge. And just get a feel for I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. I don't know how to make this work. I tried to bribe Lily to come with me, but she wasn't having it. Okay, so I'm hoping that you'll be able to see, and I'll just keep going forwards and backwards. Okay. Alright, so there it is. There it is. Okay, so masking tape now I think to get that green landscape behind that. Just about there. And there better be enough to do another row, because to me there's a lovely shadow there, but fuck it, I'll do that later. Okay, so what I want to do first is the green. Something like that. No, I need some shadow here. A bit more ultramarine blue, I reckon. I want you to see what I'm seeing and see what you reckon. So that's the painting, and that's what I'm looking at there. There's something kind of exciting in the bright green and the shadow cast by the tree. What else? Yeah, there's somebody coming now, so I'm half embarrassed, but to be honest, I'm not really, because I was so fucking ages, so long trying to get set up for this, that I'm just going to do what I want, no matter who's passing by. Hiya. Oh, amazing what you can do in 5 minutes. blotting this away a bit because I want it to read as distant landscape, distant trees. Yeah, maybe there's a wee bit that on this side as well. It's even more muted in tone, so I'm putting some cadmium orange into it to knock it back a bit further. I did like the crisp edge of the grass there, but feck it, I'll tolerate losing that. Yeah, it's okay. Now, maybe lift out some of these lights in the middle of the branches, will I? Let's see what that looks like if I were to do that. I'm going to just do it with the paper towel actually. I'll make a drawing tool out of the damp paper towel and look at lifting out the lights between the branches there. Maybe landscape is where it's at for me, you know. I'm feeling it more and more these days that I want to be out painting. Fuck, there's some yellow on that fucking brush. So I wanted to read as being different from the any colour anywhere else. Quite white there. I'm scared sometimes of how inspired I feel and how I'd love to have someone that David Hockney has to sort out all the equipment and everything, so there's a vacancy so that I can do more of this and less of the swearing and fixing fucking easels and you know the way. But I suppose partly that was no harm because I needed to expend some energy before hitting the paper. Honestly, it's a kind of a weird time for me. I just feel a bit wired. I'm grateful that I've got painting that I can. I'd say the children are grateful that I've got painting that I can let rip on as well, because I'm just so talkative. And like Lily says, Mum, I just don't want to talk. I'd say that's the time up now. Thanks for being with me, and you're still fucking there. Yeah, there's another minute. I'm going to keep at this. Let's just see what it's doing so far. There we are. So the thick sky Rembrandt's people, you'd be able to pick them up by the nose, and the lights are being thicker is helpful, I think. Yeah. Okay. A lot of swearing in this video now. I hope I haven't offended people. Probably have, but fuck it. Okay. I want to mute the grass a little bit more and make it a clean line again. Okay, see you tomorrow. You're still there. It's like the end of Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Are you still here? Go on, get out of here.